boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. Genevieve, believe the first time here on this channel. A great song, soft and in the same way through the entire song, so that is great and playable. So let's start with this one. We don't have any use for capo for this, and we have these 4 chords that goes through the entire song. So let's look at the chords. First we have the D, and usually we take the D like this, and you could if you wish, but I will prefer to go with bar chords because it goes pretty convenient just down the road here on the fretboard. So I would use the bar chord, and if you do, then you need to put a bar here on the 5th fret. So index finger here on 5th fret, and the rest will be 7th on D, 7th on G, and 7th on B. What you could do there, you can just place your finger, perhaps your ring finger, crossing the 7th fret from the D string and down, and you can try to just lift it off in the end here so you don't go down on the E string, or you can just avoid the E string when you strum here with your right hand. So it's up to you. I would probably play this the most, this grip like that. So just gonna give you that so you are aware of what you need to push down here, which strings and where. So that's the D. Then we have the next chord, which is the C sharp minor 7. So you place your bar now on the 4th fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings from bottom up, and then the rest will be 6th on D string and 5th on the B string. Then the next chord will be B minor 7, so you just keep the exact same grip here and move it down 2 frets, so you land here with your bar on the 2nd fret. Same position there, that gives you that the rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on B. And then the final chord will be A. So you could, if you wish, just keep your bar here on the 2nd fret and move it 1 string down. That means you bar from the D string and down here on the 2nd fret. That's one variation, and that's probably what I would play if I play a song, but you can also play in the standard fashion here like this. Okay, so that is open A, 2nd E, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So same as a bar like this. So just some technical stuff there. I will play like this, D there, then the C sharp, the B, and the A. Okay, now when we have the chords, we'll look at the strumming and it will go in the same way. So starting with the D, 1 round will be down, up, clap, down. So that is down, up, clap, down. You're gonna play 2 rounds for each chord, so that will be down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down. So after this first round, when you go into the second, the starting down there and the second will come immediately after the finish down the first one, so it will be pretty faster. Down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap. Okay, so one thing here when you come down to A, if you think or feel that it's a big gap to go up here again fast to the D, you could always play the D in standard way. So that gives you a little bit, yeah, you are pretty much in the same spot there to go to D like this. So I can give you that chord as well. It's the open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So that makes it perhaps easier for some of you to not have to jump up here again and go down like this. So you can just stay here and go like this and then work your way down. All right. So that is what Genevieve's song called Low Codes is all about. These 4 chords in the same order, same strumming, and that pretty much covers this great song. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give me some thumbs up or subscribe if you haven't yet. Of course, you had to. Why not? So, see you next time and play tuned.